Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Bulletin Board Heroes here on Share Talk for Thursday, the 4th of October. Starting off with Angus Energy, where the interview I did yesterday with Paul Vonk, the Managing Director, is out at 11 a.m. today. But in the meantime, we've got the chart where the shares are just above the 200-day moving average at 7.46 pence. Obviously, those who know the technicals will be hoping and assuming that this will provide at least some initial support for the shares over the next 24 hours or so. Next up, a stock where the bull trend has been rather strong of late and looks like it's getting stronger again. Bushveld Minerals, rising trend channel in place since November. There was that blip in August and September below the floor of the channel and the 50-day moving average, but it looks as though we're going to hold above the 50-day line at 25.5 pence now. And while we do, the target here notionally as high as 40 pence at last year's resistance line projection. Stock which has behaved reasonably well in the recent past from the bull tack has been Lansdowne Oil and Gas, something you would expect when you have an unfilled gap and then support coming in above the gap. So we had that last month, also above the 50-day moving average as well. And new leg up here looks as though it's going to head towards 2.8 pence while we hold above recent support at 2 pence. Stock which I covered once or twice over the summer, looks like it's trying to deliver something bullish, a nice bullish surprise. We've got a falling wedge here. Probably need to see, let's say, 0.18, 0.19 on an end-of-day close basis before the shares manage to spike up towards the notional target at the 200-day moving average at 0.35. Obviously, there is some resistance at the 50-day line at 0.21, but this is a falling wedge formation, and the shares are trying, at least at the moment, to break the top of the wedge. Another stock which could be an early bird falling wedge opportunity is PCG Entertainment. Here we've got the formation which is in place, but the shares need to break 0.009 in order to trigger that and then head up to former July resistance at 0.2. Obviously, if we break back below the floor of the wedge, then the bullish bets would be off. Finishing off with Zoo Digital, which was a decent mover yesterday and today. Bear track rebound from below the 200-day moving average at 106 pence. The big plus point here is that we bounced off a rising 200-day line. That's normally a decent signal. Need to see an end-of-day close really above this resistance line drawn from July. Around 122 in order to get the shares back on their feet and head back towards the 50-day moving average at 146. That's it from me. More updates tomorrow.